Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a comment to your spreadsheet on the Google Sheets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select a document from this list, from the documents that you have already created. Or you can also create a new one by tapping on the plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. You can either choose a template by a standard format or a new spreadsheet. But first you need to give a name to it. And then you need to tap on the relevant part when you would like to leave your comment. Then tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and select the comment option, which is the first one. Here you should add and type in your comment into this box, and then press the send button in the right side of the screen, thereby adding your comment, which is indicated by this little yellow mark in the relevant part of your spreadsheet. So if you tap on it, you have the ability to view the comment by clicking on this view comment section. Thereby you will be able to see the comment that you can accept by tapping on this check mark icon. So the comment is resolved. But you can also delete it by tapping on this three dots icon next to it and tapping on the button delete. Then click yes. So there are no comments, but you can check the comments of your spreadsheet by tapping on this comment icon at the top of the screen. So here all the comments will be available to you, so you can add a reply, delete them or accept them. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.